To transfer XRP from one exchange to another, follow these steps. First, ensure you have an account on both exchanges and that they support XRP transactions. Log into the exchange where you currently hold your XRP and navigate to the Withdrawal or Send section. Select XRP as the currency you want to withdraw and enter the recipient address, which is the deposit address of the exchange where you want to send your XRP. Make sure to double-check the recipient address, as XRP transactions are irreversible. You will also need to enter the destination tag, which is a unique identifier for the recipient account. This is usually provided by the receiving exchange. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer and any additional information required by the exchange. Review the transaction details carefully, including the amount, recipient address, and destination tag, to ensure everything is correct. Confirm the transaction and wait for the exchange to process it. This may take a few minutes, depending on the exchange and network congestion. Once the transaction is processed, the XRP will be sent to the recipient exchange. You can track the status of the transaction using a blockchain explorer. It is essential to note that XRP transactions are fast, but they may be subject to network fees and exchange fees. To avoid any issues, make sure you have enough XRP to cover the transaction fees and that the recipient exchange has the correct destination tag. It is also crucial to keep your accounts and transactions secure by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. In conclusion, transferring XRP from one exchange to another is a straightforward process that requires careful attention to detail. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can safely and efficiently transfer your XRP between exchanges. Always prioritize security and double-check transaction details to avoid any errors or losses.